Alright, terrible secret. I do not know how this album goes. I have not listened to this album. I have played it sight unseen, sounds unheard. But let's get into it. Today is going to be sort of a bonus stream. I mean, admittedly, it's not really a bonus stream. Whoa, I did not expect that. This is an unexpected turn in this album. Okay, let's get that as background ambience. So, I was supposed to do stuff Sunday and Saturday, and I didn't, because I was working on the devlog. I'll do a progress report on the devlog. It's about, I guess a little over 50% done. Probably like 60% done. So I need to draw some visual aids. Then I need to record an outro. And then that'll be it. So let's close that. And that should be coming, I guess it'll be kind of alarmingly close to my, when the demo releases. I was hoping I was going to have time to do 2 devlogs in that time. I mean, I guess there's still almost... Well, I guess it's only like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Also, the demo's going to release right in the middle of my new vacation, because I'm taking a vacation August 3rd to August 11th, and the demo release is August 7th. Oh well. Stay tuned for the demo. It'll be playable, I assume, on many different Windows versions. On many different versions of Windows 10, and maybe 11, and sometimes probably 7. So that's completely untested and unfounded. But anyway, what I'm doing today. It's been about a year. Why am I using the default buttons? You know what I mean? Why are all these things default? I just made a dark rectangle. That's my brilliant UI theme. Even my Game Jam game, it was a 2-day Game Jam, and I spent an evening making UI theming for it. And I didn't do that for the game that I've been working on for a year. I have a Discord server for the game, but I don't have buttons. I don't have unique buttons. What's wrong with me? So let's go to theme. So we need probably tabs, buttons, panels, other things. So what I've been looking at, various things. So I'll need to collect sort of, I guess maybe reference. I like the colors on this one. Let's get a mood board here. So I've been thinking, you know, the game is sort of a mishmash of elements. Get these in here. Yes, let's put that over there. I'll just look at that on the side, and that way if I find something bad, it won't be on the page. So I'm thinking various different art aesthetics. Oh. What is this, like a coloring book page? And different aesthetics and different things. So you have Art Nouveau, Islamic art. Let's see. Let's look for another cool one. So I'm seeing already here. So these are clearly non-representational, or since that's like the thing with Islamic art, but you can see distinctly floral patterns still. So it's very clearly reminiscent of flowers. And even here, even though it's much more abstract, it's still just, you know, radial symmetry is still a thing. And we see floral elements in Art Nouveau, and then we also see it in the other things that I'm going to look at. So which are, as I mentioned way back when, Margaret Armstrong's work in various book covers and things like that. And I think what I see in these, that's all the same, is limited color, is its floral elements, its symmetry, its repetition. Wow, these are tiny. But look, here we see various elements reused. We see them seamlessly going together. And other things that I was looking at. Let's see if I can get anything that I like here that I think would work well with this. So I'm also looking at 60s architecture, which we see, again, similar elements, except this time it's more like just the repetition itself, since this was when brutalism was popular. Though admittedly, I was looking for more... I'll show the particular thing that I was looking for. Because my idea, if I can even draw it, this shape, a very familiar shape, I think, this sort of leaf pattern in rectangular things where there's two corners. And I was thinking of like having lines, like numerous parallel lines on each of these, because I just find like connecting parallel lines very pleasing. So I think what I'm going to do, very first thing, I'm just going to make a box. One of those 9-patch rectangles that the kids love so much. I'm pretty sure I can I just get like a partially rounded rectangle here? I don't think I can do that in Paint. And let's do like 32, maybe just 30 pixels. What do I want here? So what are my colors first off? I think I want a yellow orange. Like a gold color, and then a dark brown. And then if we flip these, so now how do I make these seamlessly attach? Maybe I can do a rectangle here that somehow perfectly connects with these ones. I guess I could do, because I don't actually need it to perfectly connect. I just need it to do that. And then I can like patch these together. Because now what I need. You see what I'm cooking? Are you saying what I'm spraying? Maybe you should spray what I say instead of spraying what I say. Or saying what I spray, because I'm the one saying things. You should be spraying it. You know? Uh-huh. You see it? See what I'm working on? And then we can close this in. And this is now a candidate to be a 9-patch rectangle. And I'm going to add a little bit extra here as well, though. There's Bezier curves in here? That's crazy. Wait, how do these work? How do I get these to connect appropriately? I think I don't, is the answer here. Let's just get another rounded rectangle. Let's do like... So we have that. So what if we... I know. I need 2 of these. And I'm gonna have a, huh? Oh. Can I, like, paint, please? If it deigns fit? Oh, you can't just... That is awful. What? Wait, what on earth is happening? Wait, what? Oh, okay. I did something wrong. So what are we doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess. What is this? Hello? Why does it keep... Oh, it keeps switching which one I'm choosing. I don't like that. This is driving me crazy. So we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's too many. It's gonna go in 7 pixels each direction. So the rectangles are both gonna start from here. So let's just do so let's do, actually, now that I think about it. I think that's probably going to look better. Just 2 pixels, or 3 pixels. Like if I go here, to right there. I think that's going to look just about right. If I get the, that. Are you seeing? Are you seeing it? And then if I grab this thing, put it exactly the same place. And now I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional at this now. Almost. I kind of like this little dauble there. I kind of like that. I kind of like this little extra bit. You know, because I could wipe it out. Actually, hang on. What does that look like? No, that's not quite right. And what does it look like without that? I mean, that's what I was going for at first, but now I kind of like this. I kind of like the extra little bit of detail in there. I might even add, I was thinking of even adding like a floral element in that corner anyway, so that could be an option. So I think this will be my default like panel structure. So let's put that in the project. Well, where's my UI? So yeah, let's do let's just call this like panel 1 style. Actually, what does this look like at 100%? Yeah, that's plenty big. I think I like the little bit of detail that it adds, a little bit of flair. So I'm going to go to panel. So I need a... where's the 9 box? Is it a style box texture? How do I... Hang on. Godot. Wait, is it not a unique... Is it not just a... Oh no, I don't think it's a style box. This is bad. Can I not theme it the way that I wanted to? No, that'd be too dumb to not be there. Like, cause how would you even make like rounded boxes without that? Alright, where did I put my theme? Well, now the theme is going in theming. Eventually, there we go. Okay. So what do we have? We have a style box flat, style box line, style box texture, style box empty. So we have here, we can do the rounded boxes and stuff. Can we really not do... Oh wait, no. Okay. No. We have this. Maybe? Oh crap. Okay. Godot.
I want you to know you don't gotta stay.
Is the only way to theme a panel to just manually place a 9-patch rectangle as a child of it and then just like fiddle with it until it gets... Oh, that's terrible. Okay, let's see if the experts on Reddit figured it out. Okay, so I can use the margin of the texture. That's what that means. I didn't get it. Okay, so margin here. How big is it? Like 16? No, it's like 30 pixels. What does it look like at 32? Not bad. Okay, that's acceptable. That's a little off. It doesn't feel quite right, but that's okay. So now let's get our like default like... Oh wait, no, we don't have padding. We're too good for padding in our things. Okay, so now we need like I think I'm gonna do like 15 as our default. Yeah, that's reasonably good. Oh, okay, this does 20. I guess, yeah, that's fine. Okay, is there anything... Okay, I guess I should check to make sure the journal does this as well. So it needs both of these. Oh, right, it's just doing whatever it wants right now. Like, is this even a panel container? Ooh, no. Wait, actually, I don't get it. Okay, maybe that's fine. Let's just set it like that. Actually, I need to make sure that that is still compatible with our other thing. Hang on. Let's see how this looks so far. And for buttons, I have an interesting idea. Which is that I'm not going to style them basically at all, except for text. And instead, I'm going to have an outer element that focuses on... Whoa, the frame rate. Oh, I hate this game. And I'm seeing a lack of anything here. Like, I'm seeing a lack of UI theming. What does it mean? What does it mean? It's pretty clearly here. I don't get it. And I guess also, I will want a custom panel for the pause menu anyway, because right now it's a full screen black for a reason. Or full screen, it should be faded. Yeah, there we go. You know, so that way there's at least a hint of what's behind you, but... Also, I'm gonna change that back to the non-verbose time. That was a little bit of a goof. Or it looks sort of tacky. Almost. So yeah, date time. Let's say... Oh, wait. But why is the theming wrong? Like, I don't get it. Like, hang on, what if I close everything? And then we go back to player. Like, that's still set up the way that it should be. Is the theme... So the theme is set here. What does it mean? What does it mean? Do I have to... hang on, let's restart Godot. Let's restart Godot and see if it deigns fit to update the theme. No, it doesn't. What does that mean? How does that change? Like, how is this possible? How does that even happen? What is this? I don't understand. What the fuck? Get that out of here. Get this out of here. Delete it. Why is that here? This is the theme. What the fuck? How did I copy it? How did I edit the wrong... How did I drag and drop and copy it? Like, that's not how the engine was designed to function. That doesn't happen. That's not a thing. That's incorrect. That's simply not what the engine does. Whatever. Okay. Actually, I bet I could do... What would happen if I did 64? I mean, that honestly looks kind of interesting, but that's also not intentional. But it's like, actually, what does this mean? Okay. I don't understand how that happened. It didn't work. It didn't update it. Did it copy it again? Did it create another copy of it? Wait, what? How does this not work, though? The panel... Oh, I know why. It's because a panel container uses a separate style box. So the copying of the theme was actually a completely unrelated thing. Okay, cool. So is there a mystical third element that I'm missing? Okay, so we have panel container. Does this... That is correct. Panel. That is correct. Those are the only ones I've touched so far. And if we look at the UI... Wait, but that doesn't change the fact that these are themed. Like, those are correctly... These are correctly themed. Wait, hang on. Did I mess something up in here? I don't know if I did. That's fine. And I need to size things properly in here, but that's okay. So, like, this should... It's just not. I don't get it. I don't get it. Do I have a theme elsewhere? Like, does this use this? Is there some other control that needs this? This debug element. That uses this as well. And it's like... I'm seeing with my own two eyes. Okay. Let's try restarting Godot. But what does it... How does the theme not work? What are you talking about? Godot is gaslighting me. Like, okay. Is this the right thing? Hang on. Is this the right thing? Is this this? Wait, is it something where, like, I'm not pressing Control S at the right place, so it's not doing it right? Hang on, if I go... Oh, is it because I have to press this button? Is this button the one that I need to press? Too bad pressing Control S doesn't save it. You know, like their advanced automatic system to save everything. Also, I actually have yellow right at the edge there, so I'm going to say that's probably fine. I'm now going to style override for status menu. 2D, 3D, no, player. So yeah, these actually need, how do I do this? So this will be a black, and it'll be, I'd say, I think that's right. Maybe let's do like 175, I think. Okay, and I'm gonna save this as a style panel black, because that'll be for all of our things that like cover the full screen. So it'll also be like this little here's my little story time thing. And the debug console, yeah, that'll be fine. That's what it is. And this looks good. And this way it'll be very clear when a menu is over top of the panels.
Do you trust me?
I should probably make these H-bar things. So what's the style for these? Let's see, so let's also delete this, because I no longer need it. I guess I do need it. Hang on. You'll have to figure out a way of rectifying, because I like the transparency, I think. Well, actually, I'm kind of mixed on it now, because the UI elements... Yeah, I know what I'll do. Let's say goodbye to... that theming for this. So what I'll do... Let's go to panel. Whatever that is. Status menu. No fancy thing. And I mean, then we don't really need to take a screenshot of the UI or anything like that, but That's okay. Well, now I kind of miss it. I guess I could do a partially like this same style here, but I could do it partially black, or I guess I could just make it partially transparent. It'll be a little tricky though, because I just realized the black and the gold were not on separate layers. Oh, there's my thing. For some reason, my little widget here is not participating. So I need these. I need this to be up here. I think I need to just make this in like this sidebar here. And then I need just a thing down here. I think I have an idea. Let's do 2D. Wait, why is this? Oh, it's because it's right, reverse order. Okay, I think maybe I'm gonna try making this. I guess I can just recreate it, because I know how to make it. So what's the size of this thing? 81 by 81? Let's fill this in with this will do this. Then what is it? 3 pixels in. So it's like 1, 2. So it's like right there. Seems about right. Is that correct? I'll assume that's correct. Okay, so top left is the hard corners, top right is the soft corners. All right, let's get another album in here. Let's just, I don't know. Coco Roco, We Could Be More. And as always, I hope I don't get blown up by copyright. And this one, we have an interesting little element here with this. Okay, now what I can do is okay, let's get this to be like is that transparent at all? I don't think this is transparent. Hang on. Yeah, okay. And this will actually be much easier to work with than the other one. Because now I just have two layers. One for my beautiful, perfect borders, and the other for the beautiful, perfect background. Oh, yeah. Let's call this assets. I guess I gotta do this better. Let's just replace that. So this was old and busted, new hotness. And I think 180, 175 was what I wanted for that, right? Project UI theming. So we'll call this panel 2. There we go. I may need a darker or like more opaque thing. And also I still want the ability to actually hide the UI. Like the non-pause UI elements, but I guess that's okay. Also, I think I would like another transparent, fully transparent panel around the map. So that way it still is thematically coherent. And also one here, I think. And I'd like one around this UI element here. Just fully encasing this probably. Well, it'll be good enough as it is. But yeah, here I'd like a panel around this. I'd like a panel around this. Let's just call this one panel 2 black, and I'll call the other one panel 3 transparent. Okay, so map. Oh yeah, I can just do... Oh wait, no, I can't just do that. I can just do a 9-patch. Full rectangle. Input. No, mouse. Oh, okay, it already does it. I'm gonna do the same thing here. If it ain't fit. There we go. Oh wait, it doesn't quite... Yeah, it doesn't line up right. And it won't line up right here either, will it? No, it won't. Right, because I need it to line up at the top, like that. And that could be size dependent. Yeah, it doesn't line up correctly. Whatever. I'll just not do that for now. You know, anything is easy if you do a bad enough job. I think that's a lesson we can all agree on. Also, I'm gonna make the default font color a little bit more yellow. Oh wait, I have to do that individually for every single element. I just remembered that. Like, every single text element, I need to set that by default. Ah, well. Let's get it going. Okay, that gets me actually most of the way there. I'll just say that's good enough. Wait. For some reason, toggle buttons are an entirely separate thing. Oh well. Huh? Fun little bug, I think. Oh, it's because buttons are focused and pressed. They're white. Okay. Do I want that to be different? I'll keep that the same for now, I think. Yeah, because I have different plans for these. Because I'm gonna go here. So I also need check boxes and check buttons. And these. And my slide rules. I wonder if I can do anything with... Can I underline the text as I... That's a shame. Why is this text weird? I guess these labels are... They should be the same color. Oh, I guess maybe... Hang on. Do these have a theme override? No. Okay, because these should have the same theme here as just this. Okay. I think it's just something weird with... Yeah, okay, it's just something weird there. Why is this weird? Okay, again, just... Okay. Let's get the tab buttons, which of course have their own unique style, or font color, that I probably don't even apply correctly in my options menu. Tabs. Where's my... Oh, I have display right here. That's fine. So I think what I need... I'm going to see if I can make the focus widget that I want. Basically what I'm going to have is... Does it need to be... I think it's fine here. And I guess it would be a 9-patch rectangle. And this will be a, like, I don't know, 32 by 32. Because what I want is a little rounded rectangle. It'll be, like, let's do, like, 10 pixels. Oh. Let's do, like, right here. It's not aligned. It's not symmetrical. That's distressing. They aren't symmetrical. What on earth is... What does this mean? Like... Are they too small, maybe? Maybe it needs to be like 12. Why is that not... Okay, I think now it's symmetrical. Okay, so I think here to here is symmetrical, but that's also... Let's just do like 1 pixel inward. Maybe 2 pixels. And I just realized... Okay. I think this might need to be a bigger thing. Oh well. For now, what I'm gonna do... Let's do, like... like... Whoops. 40 by 40, maybe? Because what I'm gonna do... So I'm gonna split this up. In fact, I think I gotta do, I think I just gotta do it again. Especially because I just realized I didn't have anti-aliasing on. Yeah, that's much more reasonable. Because what I'm going to do here now... Maybe I should check to make sure these are actually symmetrical. Because this is going to be my cursor. And I think this can just be a PNG. So this will be in UI, I don't know. Like focus cursor? Nah, I think it should be in... I think it should be in theming. If it decides that it will go in there, maybe, eventually. Is it in there? Did I copy it? Okay, there we go. It moved. So this will be like, there we go. May need to be a little bit bigger, especially on modern PCs. 'Cause that'll be a little bit... Yeah, let's make this... Let's just do it again. Maybe like that. Maybe I should have done the same thing that I did here with this. Well, I mean, I guess it's not too late. Now, I think I have a plan for this. Oh wait, I just realized why this didn't look right. And I think for this one I might just do one rectangle. I mean, that doesn't quite feel right. But maybe if I remove this here. Let's do let's just merge all of these down. Isn't there, can I press control? Okay, there. Is that symmetrical? I mean, it looks close enough to me. Yeah, now it's a little bit better. They're not quite aligned properly, I don't think. Oh well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this thing's global corners. So let's make sure that I understand this. So its rectangle position is gonna be the position of the focused item, and its size is gonna be the size of the item. In a very, very incredible twist and turn of events, as you can imagine. And what that'll be... So this thing focuses process, it does, okay. Then ready equals connect. So focus... Isn't there like a child-focused thing? Let's do like don't I do something with focus in my other game? Hang on, let's do Godot focus sig. Because I'm pretty sure there's a signal that you get when an object is focused, and you can get it for like any node. Oh, okay. Get viewport. Okay. I really like that there's just documentation here. But also I'm going to close other tabs and go back to that. Minute control. So is there a signal for when nothing has focus? Okay, there is. Alright, so we have a million billion things. If item actually, let's just do and for now what I'll do is just c dot. Oh, this is also, this should be, let's just call it a control for now. So this might be a little jank, but I just kind of want to see if this works. Because then I want to smoothly interpolate it. Hang on. Let's lower the volume on the song. Not, well... Yeah, that's good enough for me. Okay. So I'm not seeing any dang old thing, but I do like the minimalism, quote unquote, of this. So I think next I will, why doesn't, oh, it's because, okay. Wait, why is my, okay, there we go. And also I really do need to, I think maybe I need to increase the opacity of this background layer, or... I mean, really what I need to do is bring back the ability to hide the UI when I take the screenshot. Because that's right now, that's the big problem. Like, that's the cause of all the ills in the world. Because basically... like, here it looks all good, but then if I do this, now it's a jumbled mess. And the sad thing is, I really like having the UI partly transparent in the pause menu, because otherwise it's so, like, I don't know, almost oppressive how, like, sealed off you are from the actual game. But it's just... Unfortunately, I can't get the, Well, let's go back to UI. How do I take a screenshot? I think it is... Yeah, this signal doesn't come in. Because I guess I could do, like, yield... Get... Like, I could just do, like, get free... Well, how can I do this? Let's do, like... Scene tree. What are the signals that a scene tree has? Connection failed. Idle frame. So what if it waits 1 frame? Because the viewport isn't giving me the signal. And that's what I want. But maybe this will be close enough. No, it's not. What if I waited 2 frames? Aha! Look at that. I do think it's a little clunky that it has to wait 2 frames. Like, I can clearly see that it migrates over, and, like, I can, you know... It's not seamless, is what I'm saying. But that's okay. Not everything in the world can be seamless. We're not all built perfect. But okay, now what I need is the thing which is not showing up. Is that signal no longer active? No, that's fine. If not item, hide return. Oh. Good thing I looked at the code again. Well, it's almost there. You can see it. It's trying its best. Oh, I know why. We need global requisitions. Or that, I should say. Yeah, there we go. And it does not hide when you don't do that. I don't think all of those are supposed to be there. Why are those there? Hang on. I also want it for the mouse focus. Wait, what was I looking for? I was looking for the old village, so... Okay, so there's just something wrong with the map. Does it increase each time? No, it's just a bunch... There's just a bunch of them. I'll figure that out soon. I know. Cursor track focus. Let's do, maybe we need deferred here. So that way there's a little bit of time. And let's do like a... How does this work again? So how does this work? I'll say that's fine. I may eventually make it do something more where it actually permanently attaches itself to like the focused item in question. So that way it'll keep updating if that item gets resized for whatever reason. Well, what I'm seeing here is that it's not working so hot. I still don't know how this thing works. Like, we create the tween property. Like, do I need to do something else? Elastic, maybe? And then, like... And I can even do something fancy with like shaders here if I wanted to, because that was my goal at first, or like my plan. Let's see. So these tweens just aren't doing. The tween just isn't doing anything. Like, I swear I have to do something here. And I'm also seeing that this focus, I'm pretty sure, doesn't work. Or this doesn't check if nothing is focused. Like, if nothing is focused, it doesn't do anything. Or the signal's never sent, or whatever it is. Okay, I need to look at like an actual tutorial. Like, do I need to like t.set parallel? I mean, I think that's already set true by default. In fact, I'm pretty sure that the way that this is designed to work is that you can do like tree.set this. No, you can't do that. I mean, this still doesn't, none of what I've done has actually fixed my problem yet. So I should focus on that. Also, I should put in the bugs. So what was that? Is visual only, I think, purely visual. Map notes duplicated. Okay, so I think I can just do create tween here. Yeah, that's just for all of these. Creates a new scene tree tween and binds it to this node. This is equivalent to, oh, okay. Wait, does that matter? I don't know if that has any significance. The fact that it doesn't bind itself. This parallel, that was weird. It was like I think it isn't parallel. And let's do tween. No. I think it's got to be cubic. That's a funky one. That's a new one. Oh, weird. Okay, I see. Yeah, so this, I think, needs to process its own things properly. I'm gonna do, like... In fact, I don't even need this. Because let's just make a script here. So it'll be like UI components cursor, so like focus cursor. Okay. So we will track the item. And it will be, I guess, a deferred connection. That's fine. And so if the item does not exist, hide. So let's do like var tracked item. Roll. And let's do, well, I guess it doesn't matter if we do that. Well, no, it does. If tracked item disconnect. Focus exited, self. What are the signals for this thing? God damn. So it's what? Removed? No, tree. So I need like tree exiting. Let's just do this. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to do tracked item equals null. Move. And we will do tracked item dot connect. And we'll also do if is instance valid. So if it's already been deleted, like it was freed or something, we won't do that stuff. And we can also set true. Actually, let's do that after t dot tween callback self set process true. I guess that's fine. Also, can we do like dot? Guess we need it to be like parallel or parentheses. Maybe. All right, I'll just do this then. Because I want these to be in multiple lines, but apparently that's too good for Godot is too good for that sort of syntax, that sort of silliness. All right, let's do I don't know. Modern Ambient Jungle Mix 3. Let's see how this sounds. I'll put it about there. That sounds... I mean, it'd probably pick up pretty loud. So actually, I should keep that. Just in case. I kind of want this to be a lot exponential, maybe. Alright, let's see if this does what I want it to do. Also, I just realized it doesn't have the process, so let's do function process delta if not is valid tracked item or let's do set process false no return, and then and what I'll do is I'll just have it do rectangle global position equals tracked item. Oh wait, actually if visible. Actually, the UI, pretty much always visible. Let's lower this a little bit, at least on my end, because it's pretty loud. Alright, so let's see if this does what I want it to do, which is to properly follow things and resize accordingly. Oh, right. We need to set processing false when we start tracking the item, I guess. Do I want that? Who knows? Let's also add some size to this. So I'm gonna do tangle.position. Let's do plus offset plus gen times 2. No, wait, no. Yeah. Or like padding. So I'll do that here as well. So it'll be and const padding equals vector 2. It'll be like, I don't know, 6 by 6 pixels. That should give a reasonable amount of pixel whatever on either side. Okay, and also all of that processing stuff has made it so it's properly invisible here it did do a little wacky thing there. I think maybe I need to set the tween. I know what to do. But how do I do this? Let's do like... So, well, if visible and tracked item dot rectangle global position not equal to target position. So this won't be perfectly accurate because it'll only change this if the item changes position. I don't care about that. Oh, and also... let's do if queen dot is active. What does kill do? Yeah, let's do a kill here. Okay. Okay, also. Item isn't... oh, tracked item. Okay, let's see if this works. Because now it should check every frame if its target position is, like, the correct place for it to go. And if it's not... oh. Right. If tween. So slow looking. It's like linear. It's disgusting. Oh wait, I know. It is linear because it's doing this. All right, so that all needs to be here. And let's see, and this doesn't work with mouse focus, which is unfortunate because I think, but it works okay. I mean, there's a bit of goofy delay there, It's like, takes it a good little bit to figure out what it's supposed to be doing. Also, I need to make this match this. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3. So 3 here. 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so each of these has 3 copies of this. And if we go to global.gamestate.journal, I don't think we have any duplicates here. Well, we might, actually. Hang on. Well, I don't see them. Yeah, I only see one old village from a cursory glance here. Also, when did we get that little anecdote there? Wait, is Lucas even in people? Oh, he's not. Okay. That's gonna be one that we need. Ah, okay. And now I'm seeing what I'm seeing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Alright, very good, kids. Let's do, well, I guess before I dive into that too much, let's see how this theme looks. It'll be very funny that I have to probably re-record gameplay footage, or maybe I'll just, like, mention it in the devlog. Also, it flies across the screen, because there's only one of these in the whole area. Ooh. If I get that little X in the corner looking, like, different, it'll actually look good now. This actually looks pretty... I'm pretty happy with how this is looking so far. Yeah, if that X were a little better designed and laid out. It is a little awkward with that, but that's okay. You know, it's doing its best. It's a little heavy. Because it's interesting. Well, admittedly, it's a little slow. Like the UI thing. You know, because it's pretty clear that it's, like, it still instantly responds, but I think I would like it to be... Maybe an interesting thing would be if it almost instantly sized itself to encapsulate whatever it has. So, like, its bottom right corner, like, snaps to whatever it's going to. I'm going to try that. So that would be... dot the self. Maybe I'll do like global, no, rect size equals global rect global position plus, no, target position plus padding, or let's do like plus fact item. So this will be funky. And you can see, well, I'd have to fix it so that the top left corner could go up. Because right now, it would only go down. I kind of don't like that. I think maybe I just need to make the positioning a little faster. The size can still be a bit slower. So let's do like 0.15. Yeah, that's reasonably fast, I think. I did not realize that that you could actually highlight that little X. And this actually helps to... This makes it a lot easier to figure out where the button is going. Admittedly, I don't think that should be highlightable, but that's okay. Well... that's fine. Let's see, what song is this? I like this one. I can't tell which one is which. I will just put the link to this video in the stream chat. I like this song. Okay. So I think I have some things. I think I could do a custom cursor as well. Oh wait, I also need the scroll bars. Those don't need to be fancy or anything. I'll just do a little something for those. Alright, let's also make sure that all my things work. Oh yeah, so I need a bunch of these things. And these are a little cringe in how they look. And that's a little less than ideal. That's pretty cool. I like how it actually properly wraps around the entire thing. Yeah, so this does show some of the issues with our little thing. But here, this is good, because it was hard to see which... Yeah, this was a good idea, this system. I saw another developer doing something similar for their game, and it just looked pretty good. And I think this is a good fit for this. Because it's just so useful to actually see, what is being focused, where are you actually pressing on the screen? Though I do need to make it so the mouse focus works, so I'll fix that now. Let's do focus cursor. So can I get... Because maybe there's a signal for it. So I want, Godot mouse focus. Because that's way more important if the player actually has the mouse open, or the mouse visible. What if I did, like, hover? Meta hover started tab hover. Let's do like Godot mouse hover signal. So is it like, Godot, so what is this even a signal of? Cancel this, hang on. So we have GUI focus changed. We only have two signals here. GUI focus changed, which is only for keyboard focus. And then size change. So, how do I get... I mean, I guess what I could do is have two separate things. So, if... Let's do... if... No. Whatever. That'll be kind of necessary, I guess. Maybe I just need a separate style box for when... Yeah, okay, I know what I can do. So where is the hover? So let's create a new thing, which will be like this, or this, except it'll be smaller. So let's do, it'll be like, I don't know, 32 by 32. And we'll do... So for now it'll be black, and then it'll be, So I guess this is the right thing here. Oh wait, I need to make sure that, actually I need to do that for this as well. Because we're going to need to delete both of these. Which way is it? Left is pointy. Right is not pointy. And I'll leave this one. And I won't do anything fancy with this one. It'll just be just straight on, honest to goodness. I need this. Yeah, there we go. So we need, and I guess, no, these will be the same color as this. Oh yeah, I need the panels buttons as well. But okay. Hover needs new texture. What was it, like 12, I think? And let's do, can we do like an expand margin of like, I think left and right, we don't need that. Top and bottom, we definitely need that. Yeah, now it's looking better. Because now the player can actually like see the buttons if they're mousing over them. I think. Maybe not. That's not oh wait, no. Forgot. You have to save. You have to politely say, you have to beg for it to save. Otherwise, it'll just refuse. There we go. A little clunky. But, better than nothing. It is very laggy, though. So yeah, this game really is designed for controller first and foremost. And I think the only... Oh. What was that? Oh well. What time is it in the game? 8:13. There we are. Okay, so I think for the buttons at the top, what can I do for those? Because those need to have a different focus and or background foreground styles. Let's make sure these work properly. That doesn't look good. Alright, what happens if I pause this way? Okay, so that stays there. What if... Hang on. Let's also do... let's hide this thing if visible equals mouse mode equals... Or, what should it be? Oh, man. What a terrible day. Also, page up and page down is really awkward to do here. Maybe I could do like Q and E. Like the physical keys probably would be best. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. I didn't even. I forgot that I added that. And that works horribly. That is just... I don't know how I fucked this up so bad. The mouse wheel zooming here. But that just looks terrible. Okay. If the player's using the keyboard for this, it works pretty well. But otherwise, it doesn't. I could actually make the buttons use the same system, now that I'm looking at it. Like the button prompts. Ah, well. I guess I'm still kind of divided on this little bit here. Maybe there should be multiple styles and one should be fancier. And I do wish that I could have a map here, or a background here. Oh well, such is life. Hang on. Let's go to the journal. This prompt needs to be in here, I think. It needs to be... Where's this? It's in this texture rect. Where's that? In here? I mean, I guess I can just put this... Yeah, I know what to do. This here. Where's the... How do I get this prompt? Is it here? Oh, it is there. Okay. We need a V-box here. Okay. So that'll mean this thing here. This picture, I'll do something with it. It's also theme. Let's just get our theme here. Why is this here? Remove that. Get it out of here. And that'll keep this away from everything else. Okay, so this is what this looks like by default. We should certainly have probably this just here, like that. And these also should be let's do margin of like 15. And right will be. And this also needs a scale flag or side or grow direction. Yeah, because it goes from the beginning, so that way it can get bigger this way. And that, okay. Those are fine as they are. What I really need is for this. I know. I'm going to change the type of this to a V-box. And we will do expand that. Do band here. Why are these like this? What if instead of this, I had them here? And then I can change this, change the type of this to an H box. And then I can add a control here in the center, and this will be our padding. And then I can do, I need padding. Okay, let's just do two new controls. I mean, this is dumb, but this is the best way that I can, without just making another sub-control. So let's do like rectangle. Min size will be like 15. Let's do like 20. Ta-da. And I think then all of these are like fixed, maybe? Yeah, because now like all of these margins are like redundant. Because now it actually like properly fits everything. I'm pretty sure. Wait, why am I? Oh, okay, I see. Let's just see how this looks. You know, I should have done that from the start. Okay, now, oh, right. I switched something. Right, our sorting by needs to be sort slash something. Sidebar slash sort slash label. And this needs to be hbox slash sidebar slash... No. No, wait, where am I? What do I need? Oh, it's notes slash sidebar. There we go. Okay, let's see if I haven't broken things. So why are these all messed up? I guess they need to be... I know. There needs to be another spacing thing. So let's do like size here. Let's do a spacer. So is this... How does this work anyway? Does this have like fancy margins? No, this is just... Hang on. This thing is controlled by this, so if I go out of here... Yeah, okay. That's what it'll actually look like now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there we go. And then handles that reasonably well. And then here, now if we do this, we see our thing is not like completely busted to hell. I mean, admittedly, that sidebar is a little awkward. I can do something with that at some point maybe. But who cares? I also eventually need to make this not a PBR material just out of nowhere. Like, this is the only PBR material in the game, I think. Because it's just a placeholder thing that I never unplaceholdered. Oh well. Alright, I think I could do my, I can do the scroll bars at least, I think. Let's get PowerShell. No, I gotta do that tomorrow actually. I gotta stop spending so much extra time each day. Because I have things that I should be doing, like, I still have to finish cleaning my bathroom which I started yesterday evening. So I shouldn't spend all night working on games. But okay, let's say pretty good theming. Okay, so now what I want is, so tomorrow's agenda will be finish UI theming. You know what? Nah. You don't get multiple fonts. You just get one good font. Because this Averia font that I keep using everywhere is pretty solid. You know, it's reasonably it's serifed, sort of, but it still winds up being pretty easy to read. And I've heard that it's dyslexic friendly, which is sort of a goal for me, because I just want it to look good, like, you know, a good-looking font that's not hard to read, because I'm assuming some people will have trouble reading, like, this old standard font that I use. Because I think this looks very cool, and I like using it for things, but, you know, some people that just hurts their eyes. And this, I mean, this is admittedly kind of clunky, and it feels pretty bad, but I'll figure that out someday. Actually, yeah, that'll be, I can investigate. Other things. No. Investigate. Also, I'm gonna do, before I go, maybe I'll get some nice new footage of the UI theming. So what time is it? Is it? Let's go like midday. There we go. So this will be good footage for the game. I haven't done this tutorial in a while. Oh yeah, I can do this as well, where I do the... Oh, it's not in the medium's waiting room anymore. And that tutorial is so old that it's out of date. Let's just put that in bugs. It would be, gameplay impacting. Attempt to call. Also. I'll fix that soon. I got a schedule to stick to. I got a bathtub to clean. Let's see what else we got. Don't think that's important. Alright. I think that looks pretty cool. So next time, oh, I'm not doing spoilers anymore. Do I have a different image? Yeah, we have our regular image. Alright. See you tomorrow, probably.